second class children. Are you all ready for the Hindi class book note? So please close your science class notebook and be ready with your Hindi class book note. Okay. So in Hindi class, I am going to start yesterday's session's continuation. Okay. Yesterday we wrote only 3 lines. Which poem? Diwali Ai, Deepavali Ai Kavita, isn't it? So this Deepavali Ai Kavita, have you done the practice yesterday? Have you done the oral drilling practice? Is it clear? दीपावली का दिन था, नीना की नानी आई, नानी क्या क्या लेकर आई वो? Yes, that is मिठाई, लीची और खीर लाई. So those 3 lines yesterday we had completed. Once again I will tell you, I will say once again the same 3 lines. I'll repeat. Okay. दीपावली का दिन था. It is which day? Which festival day? Deepavali. Which festival day? It was. You know, with the what is Diwali? You know, have you celebrated? You know Diwali festival? Yes. You will celebrate with what? Crackers, isn't it? And sweets. Okay. Here we are learning about the grandmother. What are the things she had brought during the festival? Okay. Deepavali ka din tha. It is a Diwali day. Neena ki nani aayi. Whose grandmother came? Neena grandmother came. Okay. Nani mithai. What she brought, grandmother? Yes, she brought. Who brought? Grandmother had brought. What she brought? What are the things she had brought? Yes, that is sweet. Then kheer. Okay, you know what is kheer, no? Yes. Okay. Next one, lychee. So all those things who brought? Grandmother. She brought lychee, kheer and mithai. Okay, second class children. So those 3 lines teacher gave yesterday. So should I start the next 3 lines? Are you all ready? Okay. Neena, continue the same kavita, same poem. Continue, leave a line and continue with the broad line. This is a broad line notebook, no? Please place a finger gap. Don't drag the lines extra. Look at the word. Neena, Aarti का थाल, नीना आरती का थाल. If there is no place, you can come to the next line. थाल सजाकर, थाल means plate. Okay. थाल सजाकर लाई. Enough. Now you have to place a full stop. Don't continue again. Come to the next line. Leave a line again. Okay. Leave a line. Start. And this is the margin line for me. Okay. So फिर सीता राम की आरती गाई. दीपावली की बधाई दी. बधाई मीन्स विशेस. दीपावली की बधाई Now listen children. So our poem is completed. Now today again I gave next 3 lines. You have to leave one line and follow. Okay. I think this line is not clear. Last line I will write once again. Leave a line and write. दीपावली की बधाई दी. Okay. Now the slide is very clear, I think so. Okay. So write down. Now listen here children. How to learn with the spellings. Neena, without spelling now. Neena आरती का थाल सजाकर लाई. And how to learn with the spellings. ना को बड़ी की मात्रा नी, ना को आ की मात्रा ना. नीना आरती आ र ता को बड़ी की मात्रा ती, आरती। का को आ की मात्रा का, थाल। थाल मीन्स प्लेट। था को आ की मात्रा थ, ल, थाल। सजाकर, स। जा को आ की मात्रा ज, क, र, सजाकर। ला को आ की मात्रा ल, ई, लाई। सजाकर, लाई। Learn very slowly with the spellings. Okay, we are in the basic steps. Come on, say नीना, आरती का थाल, सजाकर लाई। नेक्स्ट वन। फिर फा को छोटी की मात्रा पी, र। फिर सा को बड़ी की मात्रा सी, ता को आ की मात्रा ता, सीता। रा को आ की मात्रा र, म, राम। का को बड़ी की मात्रा की, आ, र। ता को बड़ी की मात्रा ती। बिकॉज इट इज बड़ी की मात्रा, यू हैव टू ड्रैग दैट साउंड। ओके। गा को आ की मात्रा ग, ई। डोंट गिव n number of lines. The letter is g. For g, you had placed the a matra. Okay. So गा को आ की मात्रा ग, ई। फिर सीता राम की आरती गाई। नेक्स्ट वन। दीपावली। स्पेल द वर्ड ऑफ दीपावली। दा को बड़ी की मात्रा दी, पा को आ की मात्रा प, व, ला को बड़ी की मात्रा ली, दीपावली। अगेन सेम, लुक एट हियर। का को बड़ी की मात्रा की, बधाई, ब। इट इज नॉट घ, because I had given it small turn, curve, isn't it? So if there is a curve, you have to say dha. B, b से बतख, small b, b, dha. dha को आ की मात्रा ध, ई, बधाई means wishes. Okay. दा को बड़ी की मात्रा दी. You used to wish your friends, isn't it? Happy Diwali, Happy Sankranti, like that. This is also बधाई means what? Wishes. Okay. The way how whenever during festivals you used to wish your parents and your friends, isn't it? So that is called बधाई. Come on, say नीना आरती का थाल सजाकर लाई। फिर सीता राम की आरती गाई, दीपावली की बधाई दी। It's clear for you all? Okay. So write very neat handwriting. You write only homework one time. You should have to write homework one time. Write very neatly. Okay. So do the learning and practice and writing practice. Learn and write. This is the homework for you children. Okay. So now get ready for the next one. Okay. So please copy down very neatly. You should not do any mistake. Without doing any mistake, you should have to write. Is it clear? Now I'll go with the meanings. Okay. So what is that? Next bit is meanings related to the same poem. Whichever the poem we are learning, that poem only, that poem meanings we are learning. Okay. Come on, write down. What is the meaning of din? Day. दिन का मतलब क्या? Day. नानी, grandmother. नानी का मतलब क्या? Grandmother. If it is dadi, also grandmother. In Hindi, no. If you use nani and dadi, in English you have only one word, grandmother. In Hindi we have two different. For grandmother, one we can say for mother is nani, and father's mother is dadi. Okay. So here in English we have only one single word, one general word, that is grandmother. Either that side or this side we have to say grandmother. Okay. What is this? Grandmother. Nani means grandmother. Mithai, sweet. Mithai means what? Sweet. S-W-E-T, sweet. Fourth one, Aarti. You can write thal. Thal means what? Plate. Thal matlab plate. Okay. Fifth one is badhai, wishes. What is the meaning of badhai? Wishes. बधाई का मतलब क्या? Wishes. Okay. So this is enough. Kheer, I will give one more. Kheer pudding. So it is also one type of sweet. Okay, pudding is one type of sweet. Okay. This you write down very neatly and copy down only one time. Okay, once again I'll tell you. दिन का मतलब क्या? Day. नानी grandmother. मिठाई मतलब sweet. थाल का मतलब plate. बधाई wishes. खीर pudding. Is it clear? So you write down this bit very neat handwriting. Teacher gave today 3 lines. Yesterday 3 lines and today 3 lines. And I gave only 6 meanings. Copy down those meanings very neatly. Okay. Then I will give you one homework. You have to write. And I told you daily I used to give some homework. Okay. So should I start giving the homework for you? Are you all ready to write the homeworks? The same way. Like matra, matra and choti ki matra. Previously we have done the practice, you know. The same way now I will give some homeworks. That also you do it. Okay children. Are you all ready for to do it? Okay, now this one, now this meaning if you want write more than 2 times or 3 times, you can do it in the rub book practice. But in the class work, you should have to write only 1 time, not more than 1 time. Okay children, say and write. Din, day, 3 times. Din, day, as like same for you have to follow. Okay, spell the word. If you don't know, you have to spell the word. Na ko a ki matra na, na ko badi ki matra ni. Nani, like that you have to spell the words. Okay, so note down the homeworks. Only I will give only 2 or 3 homeworks. Just make it under as a practice. Okay. Now listen here. Very simple homework I will give you. Note down. First one. The first one is get ready for spell the word of lychee. L E Ch plus E. One I will show you. One example I will show you. Look at here. I had underlined the letter. La को बड़ी की मात्रा ली. चा को बड़ी की मात्रा is letter is changed into बड़ी की मात्रा. Is it clear now? So E had changed into बड़ी की मात्रा. So get ready for the second one. Same way. Ready now? पीली पा P L plus E. What is this? You have to frame the word. Okay. Next one. Third one. Sita. Sa E Ta को आ की मात्रा Ta plus A letter. So you have to frame the. I will underline. Just frame the. Change the letter into matra. Okay. Fourth one. Kheera. Kha. E. Plus. R. Plus. A. Kheera. Okay. So you make it as a homework children. Just for the practice purpose. Whichever the letters I had underlined, you change it into matra and frame the words. This is enough. Simple. 3 only I gave the homeworks. Okay. So first one is lychee. You have to frame the word peeli, then Sita and kheer. Okay. Kheera. Sorry, not kheer. It is kheera. Is it clear, children? Copy down these letters. I had split those word into letters. Okay. Now you have to frame the word. Make it as a homework. And today this class has completed. And tomorrow we will go with the next exercise. Join the letters. Okay. That is different exercise. I will show you. But today you go for this practice. So our class is completed now. So take care children and do the practice more and more. Don't waste your time. Keep on doing the practice in the rub books and do the learning practice and writing practice, second class children. Is it clear? I think my class is very clear for you all. You are going to do it and you will follow my instructions. Okay. Thank you children. Take care.